How to turn on or turn off reminder in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on general management. And from here, scroll down, then tap on customization service. Then scroll down, and in here, tap on reminder. Tap on the reminder toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, your phone can set reminders to appear when you wake up or leave work. And finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.